vamos a hacer de la plataforma.
Álvaro, listen, we are going to start the class. Pay attention. Okay, good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the English class. Today, we are going to work with a book, Young Star. It's with a book, not with a platform. Okay? But first, let's start with this. Listen and guess the animal. Okay? You are going to listen some sounds of animals and you tell me, but in English. Listen. For example, the first.
Welcome to the Wild Animals Sounds Quiz. Let's listen. What is it? Listen.
What animal is this?
Leon.
The
Lion. No,
Lion.
it's not a lion.
Tiger.
But in English, tiger.
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 Yes, it's a tiger.
A
Good job.
tiger, you see? Good. The second, listen.
What is it? Listen.
What animal?
Lion. Lion.
Lion? No.
Lion.
Bear.
Check your microphone. No, it's not a bear. It's not
Yes, it's a crocodile.
a
Awesome.
crocodile. It's a crocodile.
What
The
is
next.
it? Listen.
What animal?
Monkey.
Monkey. Yeah.
Monkey.
It's not a Danny, please your microphone. It's not a monkey. It's a cheetah. Okay, a cheetah.
Great job. What is it? Listen.
Yeah, this is difficult. No, it's very difficult. This animal.
Goat.
It's a kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Next, listen.
Kangaroo.
What animal?
Elephant.
Pay attention, boys.
Elephant.
It's not an elephant. No. Listen again.
Kangaroo. Fantastic. What
Listen.
is it? Listen. Yes,
Elephant.
it's a penguin.
No.
Amazing.
the
Penguin.
Listen.
Penguin.
Yes, it's a gorilla.
Boys, you need to make silence. Silence. Listen the sound.
Well done. What is it? Listen.
It's a bird. It's a
Yes, it's a
Nightingale.
excellent.
flamingo. Yeah, this is easy. Pay attention. Listen, this is easy.
Listen.
Elephant.
As Sheldon. Only one time, my friend. Elephant. It's not like elephant. Only one. Elephant. And that's all. Okay. Let's continue with the class, please. Today we are going to work with a young star book with the Emperor's Nightingale. This is a story from your book, from your young star. We are going to continue with a spelling contest, with a spelling. And in the next class, we will take the English evaluation. Okay? For the spelling, you know, the teacher evaluates this, no, in the spelling. You spell words in English with fluency and precision. The students who are going to participate is Gabriel, Elena, Danny, Valeria, and Stephanie. Today you are going to participate in the spelling, okay? And you need to follow the examples, huh? Remember, when you finish, you need to mention the word. For example, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Can you spell dog? D-O-G, dog. You need to mention the word at the end. Remember. Okay, so let's make a revision of the alphabet, please. Very fast. Open your microphones. Open your microphones. Alessio, please. A, B, C, D. Alphabet. A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, X, Y, Z,
W.
X, Y, Z.
One more time. Elena, repeat Elena. B, C,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, W.
Faster, faster. Great. Faster, faster.
A,
Faster, faster, faster.
A, B,
E, F,
C, D, E, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z.
O, P, Q,
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
X, Y,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Z.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Good.
U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now we are going to sing the song. Where were you yesterday morning? Remember? From the book? Let's sing, okay? Open your microphones. Let's sing.
Listen and match. And sing. Where were you?
Let's sing. Open your microphone. Where
Where
we were
out,
out.
we were out,
We were out.
we were out, about today. Where were you yesterday morning?
Where,
Was that the place
Ed and
my
me.
friends know?
Where
Where were you yesterday afternoon?
I was in
I was in the forest under the moon.
Where were
Where
you
were you
yesterday?
yesterday evening? Where were at home?
where,
Where were at home? Home, home. Home.
Boys, girls, remember, we are working in past tense, no present, huh? Past. Where were you? Yesterday or yesterday?
No me llega ningún aviso para aceptar.
Past tense. Or yesterday afternoon. In past, I was at the playground. I was in the forest. The difference is the verb we use. No, in present we say I am in the forest. You are in the forest. He is in the forest. But in past tense we say I was. You were. He was. She was. Past tense. Okay, remember that. Now, please, let's go to the book now. Open, please, your young star. Open your young star. We are going to listen a story. This is the story. Please go to page 80. 81. Go, please. Go. Open your books. Page 80 and 81. The Emperor Nightingale. Let's start with the vocabulary, okay? Listen and repeat, please. Repeat.
Nightingale.
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 And open your microphones.
Nightingale.
Nightingale.
Okay.
Nightingale.
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 The next, listen.
Nightingale.
Emperor.
Emperor. Emperor. Emperor.
The next, listen.
Emperor.
Ear.
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 Ear. The next, listen.
Sing.
King.
Sing.
Sing.
Sang.
Okay, good.
Sing.
Alessio, please read the vocabulary.
Nightingale. Emperor. Ear. Sing. Sang.
Sang. Good. Sang. Álvaro, Almora. Álvaro.
Yes, bro.
Álvaro, read please the vocabulary.
Nicktan. Emperor. Il. Sing. Sang.
Álvaro, repeat please. Nightingale.
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 Thank you. Elena, please. Elena. Elena, read the vocabulary. Elena. Elena Morales.
Sí, profesor.
Elena, read the vocabulary.
Ahorita, profesor. Nightingale, Emperor, I'll sing y sang.
Thank you. Nightingale. Remember, this is a bird. The nightingale is a name of a bird, okay? Emperor, similar to Spanish. Emperor, similar to king, no? An emperor. Ill. Ill is when you are bad. Okay? Enfermo. Ill. Sing. You know what is sing? The past of sing? Sang. Okay? Remember, we are working in past tense. Now, pay attention to the story, okay? Listen, let's watch the story.
Once upon a time, in China, there was an emperor. He liked music. He wanted a nightingale because nightingales sing beautifully.
I want a nightingale. I want to listen to its song.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The emperor had a nightingale. He was very happy. Everyone heard the nightingale's beautiful song. One day, a box arrived for the emperor. It was a present from the Emperor of Japan. A mechanical nightingale.
Oh, listen. It sings beautifully too.
They're great. I'm so happy. Now I've got 2 nightingales.
The nightingale was sad. The next morning, It went back to the forest. I must go home.
Oh no, the nightingale is flying away. It's okay. I've got the other nightingale.
One day, the mechanical nightingale stopped singing. The emperor called a doctor.
Oh no, what's wrong? It doesn't sing anymore.
I'm sorry, I can't do anything.
The emperor was sad all the time.
I want my nightingale back.
The emperor was ill for days. Suddenly, he heard music. The nightingale was at the window.
What is this music? Is it my nightingale?
Yes, it's me. I can sing for you every day, but my home is in the forest.
The emperor was happy again. Every morning, the nightingale sang for him, and then it went back to the forest.
Thank you, nightingale. Go back home now.
Okay, this is the story of the Emperor's Nightingale. Okay, now let's listen one more time, please, to answer some questions. For example, who is he? Okay, what present did he receive? Who sent this present? Who? How was the nightingale? Okay, another questions too. Let's watch one more time, okay?
Once upon a time, in China, there was an emperor. He liked music. He wanted a nightingale because nightingales sing beautifully.
I want a nightingale. I want to listen to its song.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The emperor had a nightingale. He was very happy. Everyone heard the nightingale's beautiful song. One day, a box arrived for the emperor. It was a present from the Emperor of Japan. A mechanical nightingale.
Oh, listen. It sings beautifully too. They're great.
I'm so happy. Now I've got 2 nightingales.
The nightingale was sad. The next morning, it went back to the forest.
I must go home.
Oh no, the nightingale is flying away.
It's okay. I've got the other nightingale.
One day, the mechanical nightingale stopped singing. The emperor called a doctor.
Oh no, what's wrong? It doesn't sing anymore.
I'm sorry, I can't do anything.
The emperor was sad all the time.
I want my nightingale back.
The emperor was ill for days. Suddenly, he heard music. The nightingale was at the window.
What is this music? Is it my nightingale?
Yes, it's me. I can sing for you every day, but my home is in the forest.
The emperor was happy again. Every morning, the nightingale sang for him, and then it went back to the forest.
Thank you, nightingale. Go back home now.
Okay, my friends, tell me very fast. Let's answer some questions. Who is he? Who can tell me? Who is he?
The emperors of China.
Of China. Thank you, Stephanie. He is the Emperor of China. What animal did he want to get? What animal?
A
Nightingale.
Nightingale.
Good. No, he had a nightingale. But another person sent a present for him. What present was? What
The
present?
mechanical, the mechanical nightingale.
Good. A mechanical.
Mechanical
No, a
nightingale.
mechanical nightingale. Good. Who sent this present? Who?
The Emperors of Japan.
Yes, other emperor, no? The emperor of Japan sent a box with a mechanical nightingale to the emperor of China. Okay? So, what happened with the other nightingale? It was sad, no? And he went back to the forest. Went back to the forest. Okay? And the emperor says, no, it's not a problem because I had a mechanical nightingale. But one day, what happened? Look, what happened with a mechanical nightingale? ¿Qué pasó? What happened?
Se me logró, profesor.
Yeah, in English, it didn't work. No funcionaba. No, it didn't work. The emperor called a doctor, but the doctor says, no, we can do anything. No, it didn't work. So the emperor was sad. Not only sad, he was ill, no? He was ill for many days. But then the nightingale appeared one more time and sang one more time for him. And then the emperor became happy. But at the end, the nightingale, every morning, as you can see, every morning, the nightingale sang for the emperor. But then went back to the forest. No? Easy. These questions, please. Easy. The questions from the activity 3. Tiana, please, you help me with the number 1. Rafaela, you help me with the number 2. Okay? Ademir, you help me with the number 3. Read a sentence. Is yes or no? Easy, no?
Teacher. No se puede dibujar, no se puede anotar.
Yes, you are going to read, Tiana. Read. The nightingale. Tiana, read. The nightingale sang.
Yes. Beautiful. Yes.
But read a sentence, please. It's okay. It's yes, but read a sentence. Tiana.
Yes, I do.
No, it's okay,
Yes.
Diana, but you need to read a sentence. The nightingale.
The nightingale. Yeah. The nightingale is so beautiful. Yes.
Thank you. Beautifully, no? Thank you. Rafaela, please read number 2.
The emperor had the nightingale. No.
Excellent. No, not 3 nightingales. No, 2 nightingales. Ademir, please read number 3.
Sí, profesor. The emperor wanted his nightingale back. No?
No. Yes. Back. What is back? De regreso. Que regresase. The emperor want his nightingale back? Yes. Elena, please, number 4. Elena.
Yes, professor.
Read number 4. The nightingale.
Song for the Emperor every day.
Yes or no?
Yes, Professor.
Yeah, good. Yes, it's okay. Thank you, Elena. Complete, please, the same in your books. Complete the same. Okay, now please show me your books in the camera, okay? Show me this part. Show me the story of the Nightingale. I am going to take a picture. Show me your books, please. When the teacher says three, is going to take a picture. Huh? One.
Teacher, mi cámara está malograda. No se deja
Sí.
prender.
Teacher, también yo, Zoom no me deja prender mi cámara. Yo le envío así por su WhatsApp las hojas.
Ok, Tiana, excellent.
A mí tampoco me deja prender la cámara del Zoom.
Ok, me envían por WhatsApp. Okay.
¿Puede repetir lo que dijo? Lo he escuchado entrecortado.
Show me your book in the camera. Show me your books. Okay.
Ya, profesor.
1, 2. Show me, please. Show me the page. You're working. Yes, the activities. 1, 2, and 3. The teacher is going to take a picture. We have one picture more. Okay. Show me, please. Good, Rommel. 1, 2, and Rafaela, please. Good. Good, my friends. Thank you. Stop. The rest, please, for WhatsApp. Okay. Now, please, we are going to start with the spelling. We are going to start with the spelling, but other students are going to participate in a quiz, okay? But other students in the spelling. The students for the spelling, Gabriel, Elena, okay? Dani, Valeria, and Stephanie Pianto for the spelling. The rest, please open one quiz in your computers. Open one quiz in your computers. Let's enter. Enter, please. Gabriel Mercado. Gabriel, are you ready for the spelling?
Yes.
Elena, are you ready for the spelling?
Ahorita, profesor, es que no carga.
No, Elena, the spelling, Elena. Nosotros vamos a hacer el deletreo. Elena, spelling.
Ya, profesor. Ya, profesor.
Dani, are you ready for the spelling?
Yes, teacher.
Valeria, are you ready for the spelling?
Yes, teacher.
Stephanie, are you ready for the spelling?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Gabriel, please. Can you spell the word jump?
J-U-M-P.
Thank you, Gabriel. Elena. Elena.
Yes, profesor.
Elena, can you spell draw?
Yes, profesor. They are all word.
Okay, thank you, Elena. Danny, you are next. Danny.
Yes, teacher.
Can you
Yes,
spell
teacher.
climb?
Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb.
Thank you. Valeria Parra. Valeria,
Yes, teacher.
can you spell pretty?
Yes. R E T J.
Okay.
Pretty.
Okay. Thank you, Valeria. And Stephanie. Stephanie, can you spell short?
Can you repeat, please?
Can you spell short?
Yes.
SHORT. Short.
Thank you. Valentino Ramos. Valentino, what is your question, Valentino? Valentino, do you have a question?
Teacher.
Está levantado tu manito. ¿Tienes alguna pregunta?
Sí, teacher, no, ¿me puedes pasar otra vez el Kisses y la contra?
Boy, in your computer, please, the link. The link is, you know, we always have this, so create a direct access. Please, you need to check Zoom, Valentino. Okay?
Teacher, es que salí y entrado de la reunión.
Yeah, it's in the chat, the link and the ping. Okay, let's continue with a second. The rest, let's continue with a quiz, okay? Okay, Gabriel, please, the second word, okay? Let's continue with the spelling. Gabriel, can you spell people?
P-O-E. People.
Thank you, Gabriel. Elena, you are next. Elena, can you spell children? Elena. Elena, the microphone, come on. Danny, please, Danny, let's continue with you.
Yes, teacher.
Can you spell autumn?
You repeat, please?
Okay, can you spell autumn?
O T O M autumn.
Thank you, Danny. Valeria Parra, Valeria, can you spell cheese?
Can you repeat, please?
Okay, can you spell cheese?
CHEES. Cheese.
Thank you. Stephanie Pianto. Stephanie, can you spell autumn?
Can you repeat, please?
Okay, can you spell autumn?
Yes. O U T O M autumn.
Thank you, Stephanie. Now the last word, okay? The last word. Gabriel, please, can you spell homework?
HOMEWORQ. Homework.
Thank you, Gabriel. Elena, please. Elena. Elena Morales.
Yes, professor.
Elena, can you spell country?
Yes, professor. COUTRI.
Thank you, Elena. Danny,
Yes, teacher.
can you spell a strawberry?
You repeat, please?
Okay. Can you spell a strawberry?
STAWAWBERI. Strawberry.
Thank you. Valeria. Valeria,
Yes, teacher.
can you spell crocodile?
Yes, teacher. CRO CODILE. Crocodile.
Thank you. Stephanie.
Yes, teacher.
Stephanie, can you spell strawberry?
Can you repeat, please?
Okay. Can you spell a strawberry?
UAIAWBERRE. Strawberry.
Thank you, Stephanie. We finished. Thank you, Gabriel, Elena, Danny, Valeria, and Stephanie. We finished with this part, okay? The rest, finish the quiz. It's a revision of all the things we learned, okay? All. You can practice one more time this quiz in the afternoon, okay? The teacher is going to set the link, okay? But it's in your CNET. Okay, let's stop here. Let's see. Oh, Abigail, excellent job. Alessio, good. Second place. Fabian Hernandez, good. Camila, fourth. Tiana, fifth. Sheldon, good. Sheldon, continue. Kiara, Rafaela, you're next. Luis, good. Alessandra Ku, Valentino Ramos, 11. Roxana, 12. Romeli, 13. Regina, good, my friends. Listen, our evaluation is the next class on Friday. Okay, our English evaluation is on Friday. Try to study the verbs. You need to memorize the verbs in present and in past tense. Okay, don't forget that because it's going to be in the evaluation. For example, very fast. Number 1, help me please. Where were you yesterday? What is the correct option?
I was at the forest. I was at the forest.
And I was, because it's past, no? I was. 2, where were you at the last weekend? What place is this?
Sports center.
Sports center, good. 2, a student says it's a beach or airport. Be careful, huh? You need to look at the picture. 3, yeah, most of you failed this sentence, this question. Were you at the beach yesterday morning? What is the answer? Look at Zoom. Tell me, what is the answer?
Yes, he was.
No, the question is, were you?
Yes, you are. Yes, you were.
Yes.
Yes, you were.
No. Were you at the beach Yes, I was. Do you remember? Are you playing? Yes, I am. Are you cooking? No, I am not. In past tenses, were you? Yes, I was. Okay, be careful with this kind of question. Maybe it's a possibility in your evaluation. No, maybe no. Maybe not. Okay, we don't have much time. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your attention.